La revolución digital está pasando de una forma impresionante y hay que saber combinar tres factores, desde lo físico, lo digital, lo humano. Hay temas que tratar como el Internet de las cosas, los datos, los analytics, y para eso están conmigo el día de hoy Jordi Botifoll. Él es presidente de Cisco Latinoamérica, y también está Laura Quintana. Ella es vicepresidente de Cisco Corporate Affairs. How are you guys?
Good.
Thank you very much for having you here. Jordi, please, can you tell us, it seems like the new digital economy brings with it many opportunities. What's the outlook for Latin America?
Yes, Latin America right now is in the middle of a transformational project from commodity-based economy to knowledge-based economy. The digitization transformation process is the key catalyst to make that happen. So that's the reason why there are so many opportunities. Opportunities, for example, in improving government efficiencies to offer better citizen services, increasing national competitiveness, smart cities, connected industry, increasing the social inclusion, which is basic for the innovation and creativity, which is, we are talking about education, healthcare, public and safety. And in parallel with these needs, there are market transitions, both from technology and business point of view. We heard about the multi-cloud evolution. We heard about the needed security in that evolution, cybersecurity. We talk about the analytics and big data. We talk about collaboration tools. So all these kind of market transitions creates new opportunities and potentially new jobs. So that's the reason why education is a key factor, especially thinking in the youth and all the young people that Latin America has, which is a great asset.
Yeah, as you said, can you share us a little more about that and the importance education have to realize all of this?
Those countries that they have high level of education, they have high levels of innovation, creativity, job creation, qualified job creation, and at the end, it impacts directly to the GDP growth, which creates social and economic impacts and transformational environments that will help out most of the people around.
Laura, can you tell us where those skills people need to improve and to make all this digital transformation possible?
Sure, absolutely. Digital skills have become increasingly critical in terms of being relevant in the market, and to Jordi's point, how you can contribute to the digital economy. And when we talk about digital skills, it's not only technology skills. You know, surely individuals need to know about networking, security, the Internet of Things, programming, data analytics, but also it's 21st century skills, problem-solving skills, the collaboration skills, critical thinking, as well as design thinking, taking a customer-centric approach to how you're going about solving a problem or an issue. And so we see this holistically as digital skills that are required to help individuals thrive.
And how is Cisco playing a part in educating people across Latin America?
I believe we're playing a big part, and that's through the Cisco Networking Academy program. Happy to share that we're celebrating our 20-year anniversary. The Networking Academy was started in 1997, and in the past 20 years, we've been able to benefit nearly 8 million students around the world. We're currently in 180 countries. We have over 22,000 instructors and over 10,400 academies. And I have to tell you that we could not do it alone. It really takes an ecosystem, and it takes public-private partnerships. We partner with academic institutions, we partner with governments, with nonprofits to help individuals transform their lives through the Networking Academy.
Jordi, can you tell us the impact that generates this Networking Academy Laura is talking about?
During those years, we have trained and graduated 1.6 million students. We set up 1,500 network academies with more than 3,800 instructors. All this magnificent system has contributed substantially for improving and accelerating the digital transformation of Latin America. Most of those jobs went to our ecosystem, our partner community, close to 5,000 companies working around this industry, helping our customers to make them having business outcomes, to improve customer experience, to improve employee experience. You create a virtuous circle, positive one, that helps for more innovation and creativity that I was mentioning before. So, and accelerate qualified job creation, as I said, which is a key component of the social inclusion within the digital transformation journey.
Actually, Laura, we talk about preparing people and talent with digital skills. You told us that you have been there for 20 years, which is amazing. So what's next?
Great question. Get that asked quite a bit. What's next? I could tell you, seeing into the next few years, we are on track to double the size of the Networking Academy program. Last year, we made a commitment that by 2021, we would reach 2 million students a year. We are currently at a run rate of 1.3 million a year, so we're on our way to that 2 million mark. And with this digital revolution driving so much change and transformation, there is going to be significant demand to come in the many years ahead, and quite excited about the opportunity that we have with the Networking Academy, with our partnerships, as I mentioned before, with government, academic institutions, and nonprofits, to really ensure that this next generation of individuals are truly global problem solvers, that they innovate as technologists, think as entrepreneurs, and act as social change agents to make the world a better place.
Well, it's amazing the job you're doing, and thank you very much for your time. Nosotros continuamos aquí transmitiendo desde Cancún en Cisco Live Latinoamérica 2017. Ya saben que toda la información la pueden encontrar en línea, síganos en nuestras redes sociales y estén muy al pendiente de todos los temas que seguiremos transmitiendo aquí desde Cancún.